kept secrets travel.
Food number 2, coming out of Zimbabwe. We have dried mopane worms.
Oh, mopane worms.
Mopane worms. Oh, I said it wrong. So mopane worms are a staple part of diet in rural areas and are considered a delicacy in the cities. They're very high in protein. They can be eaten dry as a sort of crunchy potato chips or cooked and drenched in sauce.
See, I'm telling you, the sauce is the key to these things that we're trying.
Eating these, yeah. So the worm is a large caterpillar of the Goinbracea bellina species, commonly called the emperor moth. It's called mopane worm because it feeds on the leaves of mopane trees after it hatches in the summer.
Are they native to Zimbabwe or are they?
Yeah, they are.
Okay.
And you can also find them in the likes of Tanzania and stuff. So, funny enough, even though Ross and I knew nothing about what Morgan had bought, I do know quite a bit about these because I try to help.
Do you want to show the camera?
Yeah, there won't really see much on the packet. I'll show the individual one. I try to help out a startup who are trying to see if they can breed them because currently no one's properly able to farm them. But because of the warm and dry season, it drastically fluctuates the price.
I don't think they're going to be that fat, man.
These are one of the
Get the
highest
juicy one.
density protein food sources, but on top of that, if you just eat it on its own, and this is what is amazing about them is they've got, so we'll eat them all at the same time, Ross.
Yeah, I got you. Don't you worry about that.
They have a type of protein in it, and someone out there can correct me if I'm wrong, but they've got a type of protein which our body can't consume. That means that protein actually acts as a fibre. So it's both fibrous in a special protein sense, but also from just high in protein. But we'll give these guys a bit of a show.
Why do I wish you'd never told me that?
Have you ever eaten caterpillar before?
Not out of my own accord, no.
Not out of choice.
How have you got such a big boy?
Oh, I don't know. Some of us are born with big boys, Ross.
Yeah. Yours is huge.
There were so many responses I could do to that, but I was just like, I don't want to.
Yours looks like it just ate all the food of all the other babies.
It's probably...
It looks massive.
Does it have a face?
I think we should go
Does it
on the
have a
taste
face?
test. Yeah.
Oh,
Come on, I'm getting.
Let's move.
I'm getting.
Oh,
hungry,
mine's
yeah.
broken.